Good morning, students. Now, the today's topic is factors of utilization of resources. There are 6 factors of utilization of resources. 6 factors. Total 6 factors of utilization of resources. First, availability. First, availability of resources. Second, skill of human beings. Third, availability of capital. Fourth, availability of water. Fifth, advancement of technology. Sixth and last, availability of transportation and communication facilities. So my dear students, there are 6 factors of utilization of resources. First, availability of resources. Second, skill of human beings. Third, availability of capital. Fourth, availability of water. Fifth, advancement of technology. Sixth and last, ability of transportation and communication. So these factors are important factors for the utilization of resources. For any country, availability of resources. For any country, availability of resources played a very important role. But advancement of technology, availability of capital and skill of human beings also become a necessity for the utilization of resources. It means only availability of resources are not play an important role. Skill of human beings, ability of capital and advancement of technology played also very important role. I will give you example of 2 countries. I will take example of 2 countries. Example, first I will take the example of USA and second I will take the example of India. USA, as you know, that is developed country and India is developing. USA is developed country and India is developing country. Why? Why USA is developed country? USA is developed country because there is advancement of technology as well as they have the capital also. It means they have economically self-sufficient. But in the other hand, India have less of technology as well as less of capital. It proved that these 6 factors are play a very important role for the utilization of resources. So I repeat, 6 factors, that is availability of resources, skill of human beings, availability of capital, availability of water, advancement of technology, availability of transport and communication facilities are also play a most important role of utilization of resources. So my dear students, I hope you understood about the factors of utilization of resources. So you have to learn these 6 factors and write down in your copy also. I will check it. Next topic, I will discuss classification of resources in the next day. Thank you and have a nice day.